countersunk the holes on the back of our fretboard. We've screwed it onto here. Good side facing up here so that when we flip it over we're slotting on our good side. And we just nip these little nuts up here with the adjustable spanner. Not too tight, just firm to stop this moving around. This then gets placed flat down on the saw, and skipping the first hole we have, we lower this panel over the top and lock it down into that first hole. As we push it through, I like to hold this down and also push from behind here so that we get a nice even run all the way through until our stop hits just here, and then we can pull the whole lot back nice and even. Okay. Then it's just a matter of lifting this up, sliding it through to the next hole and doing the same thing again all the way down. It is very important to keep this flat just in case there's any twists or there gets a little bit of something under it. You need to make sure that's held down nice and flat. So here we go. Earmuffs on, dust extractor on, saw on. Once you've finished, let the saw completely stop. You can flip that up, and it's a good idea just to look down the side of your work when you've pulled it out, just in case this wasn't sitting down flat on any of them, because until you undo these, it's perfectly indexable. So you can go back and go, all right, that one's not quite deep enough, it's a little bit shallower than all the others. You can put it back in that spot, run it through again, and it will cut in exactly the same spot. Now these ones look pretty good. They're all fine, they're all nice and even, all down to the same depth. So they're going to be fine.